Hello everyone, good morning students. Yes friends, in previous class we take and solve some important questions based on the chapter exponents and real numbers. And we take and solve some important questions based on them. Now, in today's class we also take and solve some other important questions based on same chapter. Okay? And we take a question which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Okay, and solve the equation. This is a very important question. Question is, solve the equation, and your equation is 3 into 2 power x plus 1 minus 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 5 equal to 0 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now let's see its solution. So first of all, what I do dear, so for that, first of all we write the given equation and we simplify them. We multiply 3 in bracket. So we have 3 into 2 power x plus 1 minus 2 power x plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we multiply them, so we get 3 into 2 power x, okay, plus that is plus 3 ones are 3, plus that is 3 ones are 3, minus this is, we split what we write, we can write 2 power x into 2 power 2 according to laws of exponents, and plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now what I do, look, so we can write this is 3 into 2 power x plus this is plus 3, that is plus 5, that is plus 8, and here minus 2 to the, this is 4 into 2 power x, okay, and here plus 3 plus 5, that is plus 8 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Now we can write here, friend, what we write, look, here from these two terms we take 2 power x as common, so we get 3 minus 4 is left here, okay, plus 8 is equal to 0, plus 8 is equal to 0. Now what I write, what I do, 2 power x into that is minus 1 and plus 8 is equal to 0. Now we write as minus 2 power x and plus 8 transfer that side, so this is minus 8. So minus minus cancel to each other, so we can write 2 power x is equal to 8. Okay, now we can write 2 power x as 2 power 3, because of we can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the 4 to the 8. So now comparing both sides, we get x is equal to 3. Now on comparing both sides, get x is equal to 3. So this is the required solution of the given question. So dear student, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important question. based on these topics. Let's see, dear students. Now we take some other question based on real numbers also, because of this is a very important question, and all the topic comes your in examination. And your question is, if this is a very important question, if in square root this is 13 minus a into under root 10 is equal to under root 8 plus under root 5, then find the value of a. Now let's see its solution. So first of all, what we write, we have, dear friends, we have under root 13 minus a into under root 10 is equal to root 8 plus root 5. Now what I do for that? Here this is a is variable, so we don't form an identity like a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So first of all, we taking square both sides. Now taking square both sides, taking square both sides, we get, so we have what, this is 13 minus a under root 10 is equal to square root remove, give is the square of under root, so we get remove the square root. So here this is, we can write root 8 plus root 5 whole square. Now we write as 13 minus a under root 10 is a square, so we can write root 8 square plus b square plus 2 into root a into root 5. Here we apply the identity a plus b whole square. Now again simplify again. This is square root of 8, this is 8, this is 5 plus this is 2, 8 5 is 40. Okay. Now look, what we further simplify. This is 13 minus a under root 10. This is 13 plus 2 into, we can write 16 into 3, 10 into 4, we can write 10 into 4 now. We can write 10 into 4. Now look, we write 13 what cancel to each other, dear friends. Okay. Now we get what we have, minus a into under root 10 is equal to 2 into the square root of 4 is what, 2. So we take common out, 2 into under root 10 is left. Now root 10 is also cancelled to each other, so we get minus a is equal to 2 to the 4. This implies that a is equal to minus 4. A is equal to what? Minus 4. So this is the required solution of the given question. So therefore in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on exponents and real numbers. So this is one of the most important. Let's see once more time. First of all, we have a relation. This is the given expressions, and first of all we observe that we never form an identity a plus b whole square a minus b whole square, because of here a is a variable is there, so we don't form an identity. So for in that condition we taking square both sides. After taking square both sides we simplify them, and after simplification we get the value of a. Okay, here we apply the identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and other expression write as it is, and after simplify we get a is equal to minus 4. So this is a very important question. Now we take and solve some other important question based on the same chapter. Let's see. we take a very important question, and the question is, if 25 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 5 to the power 2x minus 1, 5 to the power 2x minus 1 minus 100, okay, then find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now let's see its solution. Dear friends, this is also very important question based on real number or laws of exponents. Okay, now let's see its solution. What is the process, dear friend, to solve that question? Let's see. Look, so first of all, we have 25 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 5 to the power 2x minus 1 minus 10. Now we can we separate the variables and constant for that question. Look, so we write as, or 5 to the power 2x minus 1 minus 100 transfer that side, 100 transfer that side and 25 transfer that side. So 25 for x minus 1 is equal to 100. Okay, now look, this one we can write 5 to the power 2x minus 1 as it is. Now we can write 25 as 5 square, add to whole power x minus 1, write as it is equal to 100. Now we know that the very important laws of exponent, a power m to whole power n, so we can write a power m into n. This is the laws of exponent. Now we multiply the powers, so we have minus, this is 5 to the power, this is 2x minus 2 is there, is equal to 100, is equal to what? 100. Now we can write 5 power 2x into 5 power minus 1 minus 5 power 2x into 5 power minus 2 is there, okay, is equal to 100. Now what I do? Now look dear friend, from these two terms we take 5 to the power 2x as common. 5 to the power 2x as common. So look, so we can write as 5 to the power minus 1 means 1 upon 5 minus 5 power minus 2 means what? 1 upon 5 to the power 2, and this is, and because of we know that a power minus n, we can write 1 upon 8 to the power n. This is also a very important laws of exponent, so according to that concept we can write this. Okay, now we simplify them. Look, this is 5 to the power 2x, this is 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 5 is the 25, 5 5 is the what? 25 is equal to 100. Now look dear friends, now we can write 5 to the power 2x multiplied by, we take 25 as LCM, we take 25 as LCM, so 5 5 is the 5 1 5 minus that is 1 is equal to 100, is equal to 100. Now what I do? Look, so we can write this is 5 to the power 2x into, that is 4 is equal to, it cross, we do the cross multiplication from 100 into 25. Now this is 25 So look, so 5 to power 2x is equal to, that is 5 power 2 into 5 power 2. Okay, so we can write 5 power 2 plus 2, that is 4. Now comparing both sides. Now look, to 5 power, on comparing both sides, according to laws of exponent. Okay, so we write as, that is 2 power x is equal to what, that is 4. That implies that, so x is equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2 to the 4. Thus the value of x is what, dear friends? 2. This is the required solution of the given question. So please students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, this is a very important. Let's see once more time. This is the given relation, and first of all we separate the variables. After that we split the given expression into the power of 2, power of 5, then simplify, and we get our result. So in this way you can solve that type of question. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Now look, okay reason. So in this way you can solve that type of question. Now we take a very important questions. Simplify simplify 0.0012 whole power 1 by 3. This is also a very important question. Okay, based on the exponents and real numbers. Now let's see its solution. So dear students, first of all, in that type of question we remove the decimals. Let's see how. Let's see. So first of all we can write, we have 0.0012 whole power 1 by 3. So dear friends, we can write the given expression in this way, 1 upon 1000, because the position takes place 3 position left. So we can write 1 upon 1000 to whole power 1 upon 3. Now 1000 is the cube of 3, we know that. So this is 1 upon 10 to the power 3 to whole power 1 upon 3, or we can write 1 upon 10 to whole power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. So 3 cancel to each other, so we get 1 upon 10 or 0.1. This is the required solution of this is the very basic question, dear students. So please do more and more practices of that type of question. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on this topic. take a very important question of your syllabus, dear friends. The question is, if x is equal to 3, find the value of x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x to the power minus 1 by 3, okay, into x to the power 2 by 3 plus x to the power minus 2 by 3, x to the power minus 2 by 3 minus 1. This is the very important question of your syllabus. So let's see its solution. Dear students, first of all, we know that a very important identity a cube plus b cube. This is the form of this is a plus b in one bracket, okay, and in another bracket this is a square plus b square minus a into b. Here we have the value of x as 3. We simplify, find the given relation. So look, dear students, first of all, we have a very important relation, which is x power 1 by 3 plus x power minus 1 by 3 in one bracket, and this is 2 by 3 plus this is x power 2 by 3 minus 1. Now we can write the given expression. We take x is equal to x by 3, let a is equal to x power 1 by 3 and b is equal to 1 by 3. Now we put the value of a and b in the given identity. So we get this is a cube means a cube plus b cube, okay, in one bracket. So a is equal to a plus b in one bracket means what? This plus this means a plus b in one bracket, and in another bracket this is a square. So a square means x power 2 by 3, b square this is x power minus 2 by 3 minus a into b. A into b means what? 1 by 3 into x power minus 1 by 3. Because of if we multiply them, so then we adding their powers, then if we add minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3, then we get 0. So in this, then we know that the any power of any value contain the power 0, then its value is 1. So that is 1. So thus we can write the given expression is same as this. So that is the value of x power 1 by 3 plus x power minus 1 by 3. So this is 2 by 3 plus x power minus 2 by 3 minus 1 equal to this one. 3 cancel to each other, 3 cancel to each other. So x plus x to the power minus 1. Now what I do, dear student, because of look, here the value is x to the power 0 and the value of x to the power 0 is its value is 1. So that is, here we can write 1. Now we simplify them. So the value of x is what? 3. So 3 plus 1 upon 3. Now we take the action. 3 is 9 plus 1 upon 3. That is 10 upon 3. This is the required solution. Okay. So in this way, dear student, you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus based on exponent and real numbers. So dear student, in this way, in today's class, we take and simplify, solve some important questions based on exponents and real numbers. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions based on this topic. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, dear student, now in next class we take and solve the same chapter and we take some other important question of your syllabus. Okay, because of these are the very important questions chapter. Okay dear friends, now thanks to all.